Pikachu. So hi, we're like walking around
Pika.
to our yard. Yeah. Walking around to our yard in this Sunday afternoon.
Pika Pika.
Yeah.
Pika Pika.
There's the
Pika.
school bus over
Pika.
there.
Pika Pika.
Yeah.
Pika.
Yeah, and there's a Pika tree. Yeah. And there goes William there. This is the chicken house we have.
Pine tree.
It's a shop. The old shop. There's our school bus there. And we're going to head walking to the back creek. This is one thing that I really like in the country because you can just walk around and
Wait.
yeah,
I think rainbow.
walking around without
Walk.
worrying about your clothes.
Walk.
You know, just walk without worrying how you look. This is our lane. Yeah, and this is our garden area. Last
They
fall
can't
or
see
last summer, we were planting sweet potato in that side, and we use mulch in our garden. We use mulch. We are homegrown farmers. Yes.
I have a Pikachu tail.
We cannot use the word organic because we did not apply for license, but basically organic farmers are homegrown farmers as well. The only difference is that
Pika.
license. Yes. This is like doing a purple reflection because I have a super dried eyes and I need to wear a lens that would protect me from blue light emission so I can see. This one here is the pine tree
And
area.
Tommy's coming.
What? Toby is not coming, bud, because you locked him. And this is our regular everyday routine. Afternoon when we get bored in the house, we just walk to the woods, breathe in more oxygen. Well, actually, oxygen is really important to
Tommy's
us.
not coming.
And when I
Tommy's not
notice,
looking.
yeah,
Tommy's not looking.
Toby is not coming because
Tommy's
we just gave Toby a bath, so he's not allowed to go out because it's really cold. So that's the reason why we leave him inside the house. And there's Pikachu coming. Pikachu. Pikachu. We're actually going to go to the river, the back creek.
Pika.
Pika Pika.
Pikachu is so tired of run.
So we're heading to the river.
Pika. Pika.
Why?
Pika.
You hear the river? We are actually close, and there's a little bridge there.
I'm a boy Pika.
Oh, you're Puku.
No, I'm a boy Pikachu.
Hey, come on, cause Daddy is already waiting.
I'm a boy Pikachu.
So this is the creek.
I'm a boy Pikachu.
I'm not sure if you can see the creek.
I'm a boy Pikachu.
There. Huh?
I'm a Pikachu. A boy. The boy.
Pikachu.
Pikachu.
Sometimes Louise likes to be an avatar. That's why she has a short hair. She's the earth vendor. Earth vendor. Earth bender.
And I'm also a cat bender.
What? Hello. Ay!
I wish I got
Okay.
Can someone help me? I didn't bring waterproof.
You can just
Oh, there it is.
if you don't wear waterproof. Then,
You step on the very small rock.
yeah. Alright, you can do it, girl. Pikachu can do everything she can do because she's a Pika Pika. There you go. Yeah, you're a Pikachu. Oh, see? And then, there you go.
I'm a Pikachu.
Yeah. You're a Pikachu, on a Pikachu, on a Pika. Oh, no, that's not Pikachu. It's Barbie girl. Manday no, pataka lang si mama. Alright, here. So here it is.
Wait, that's not Barbie, that's Bonnie.
Huh?
Alright, task 2.
Okay, task 2. Task 2.
Trying to not step on water.
Oh, sige, trying to step 2. How are you going to step not to get wet? Oh, that is a PE. It's a cognitive testing. How are you going to? Is Pikachu gonna get wet or not? How about you, William?
Oh,
Let's
he's
see.
fair and square. He can just walk through the water.
Yeah, you can just walk through the water because you...
Yeah, Squirtle.
Alright. So that is one reason why it's nice that your children needs to walk in the woods. And now, how about me? I hope I'm not gonna make the kinas. Okay. What's wrong, bud? Alright. So, you are trying to exercise the psychomotor skills of your children. That is why you need to let them walk to the woods. Tanawa ng mga bata nga kamaumangahoy sa gagmay pa. Di na mahadlok og kakahuyan. Kay di man na sila mahadlok og dakinaas. Kay pirmi man lang madakinaas. Pero kanang mga bata nga wala gid kasuway intan. Mami. Oh, ano ba?
Pikachu.
Sige.
William, you're a Squirtle. Why are you on land? You can step in water.
Alright. Drama ni sila. They are making drama like si Luis is the Pikachu kunuhay na siya. Ang yung trainer si William. Mauna ang istorya diha. Nangita daw ko na sila. What are you going to do, Pikachu? What are you going to do, Pikachu?
I wish there was a bridge.
A bridge? Because
That's how it goes.
are you under training, Pikachu?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm in training.
Yeah. Who is the name of your trainer?
Ash.
Ash.
Ash Ketchum.
Ash 3.
Huh? Ash Ketchum.
Ash Ketchum. This is Ash.
I'm gonna Ketchum.
Oh, look at Daddy. Oh, Daddy is so far away.
He looks sort of like a pond.
Oh, you're making your daddy libak-libak. Look ko. Aray, kigwa. Kita to eh. Gisagpa ko. I am being slapped with this one. Tong yung. Aray, kita gi. I am being sagpa with the kahoy. Hello, we are saag. Yes, we are saag. And then we're going to pretend that we are having aray.
A Pikachu.
Yeah. And then I'm landing in the lapok.
Task number 3.
Oh,
The maze.
the maze. I'm landing in the lapok. Like that. So Pikachu, alright. Pikachu, how is your training?
Pretty good. But I'm not but I can't be in a Pokemon battle yet
You cannot be in the battle yet. Why?
because I don't have the strength.
You don't have a strength. How are you going to get the strength?
Well, first I need to battle a Magikarp.
Yeah. How did Ash train you?
Well, very good.
Ash.
Since the day I was born.
Since the day
I
you
was
were born?
prepared.
So you were born to
Fight.
Oh. Born to fight daw siya.
And I always
Wow.
didn't want to be a friend.
Yeah.
Team Rocket who tried to catch me and did not make.
Boom.
They love rare Pokemon. And
Yeah.
I'm one of those Pokemon.
Yes. You're one of their Pokemon. Pokemon! Go hurry! Catch them all! Hurry!
I like Pokemon.
Yeah, so here we are in the back creek. That's actually this is the side of the back creek is actually a cow farm. A cow farm, but there's no cow, so there is already a farm. I don't know really. I really don't know where the cows are. Okay, so we're going home, and we are walking on a different trail. Going home.
When is dinner time?
When we get home, we get to eat.
Yeah.
You hungry?
Yep.
Yeah.
How much talk? Pika interview.
Okay. Yeah. You hold that one if you want to have a Pika interview.
Why?
Because you are the interviewer. I really don't know. So what should I ask you?
Anything.
Anything?
Yes.
Anything.
Well, I eat Pokemon food since I'm a Pikachu.
What kind of food?
Well, electric type food.
Electric food.
Electric type food.
Electric type of food.
At the Halola region, you'll find 4 island guardians.
So we're going to go to another trail.
Are you okay with crossing the log, William?
You wanna cross the log? Huh?
If you're not comfortable with
A while.
Why?
Well,
Ay, hala,
there
nasagpaan
are only
ka.
a few times I saw Stoutland, but soon he passed. And it was time to catch Litten.
Gotta catch him all. Gonna catch him all.
There was also Team Rocket at the Halola region. And they caught Mimikyu and Marini.
Marini.